Okay, this lesson is about gradient and it's different from gradient in maths. Gradient in geography, we actually visualise the slope and we try and work out if the slope is steep or if it's a gentle slope. So in maths, we look at the rise over run and we normally divide the number to get, it's normally like 0.5, a number like that. What we're looking at, we're trying to find out the gradient in terms of a ratio. I'm going to explain first of all what it means in geography and then how we write it and what these words and what the numbers mean. So gradient in geography talks about the difference in height between 2 points. So if we're looking at the difference between A and B, the difference in height is 10 metres. Then we look at the difference in distance between the 2 points. So this will be 100 metres. So what we do, because we're trying to make it into a ratio, this number we always divide it by itself to make it into a 1. And then we go 10 divided by 100, which is 10. So what we're saying is that every 1 metre in height changes over 10 metres in distance. So this is our height and this is our distance. And what we can do with that, we can say that if we imagine how far 10 metres is and a change in height of 1, that's quite a big slope. So that's what we're talking about when it comes to gradient. Remember this formula rather than this formula for geography. The maths is exactly the same, but we need to make sure it's written as a ratio, not a whole number. So we don't do 10 divided by 100, so it's not 1, it's 1 to 10. And what that means, 1 metre in height, distance is 10. Every 1 metre in height is 10 metres in distance. If we can get that in our heads, we'll make gradient really easy to do. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope that makes sense. Thanks.